So today our topic is Sobel filter, and this is one of the famous edge detection technique that we frequently use in our image processing operations. So myself, Dr. Dibbo, presenting you the lecture series on digital image processing. So let's start. So the Sobel filter, sometimes it is also known as by Sobel operator, is generally used in edge detection algorithms to create an image by emphasizing edges and transition of the image. But main point that you have to notice or you have to note down is that the Sobel filter is a discrete differentiation operator which computes an approximation of the gradient of the image intensity function. So overall, Sobel filter is a discrete differentiation operator and it computes an approximation of the gradient of the image intensity function. And this is based on convolving the image with a small separable and integer valued filter in horizontal and vertical direction, and is therefore this is relatively inexpensive in terms of computation. So now this is an orthogonal gradient operator, and here gradient corresponds to the first derivative and gradient operator is a derivative operator, and this is very important. Okay, now we are considering first derivative here. Then for an image here, it involves two kernels, Zx and Zy. Zx is estimating the gradient in x direction and Zy is estimating the gradient in the y direction. Then what we'll do, the absolute gradient magnitude will be calculated using this formula. This Cz is root over zx square plus zy square, and but sometimes or more often this is approximated as zx is equal to zx plus zy. Okay, so overall this equation at least you have to note down. Now in our work, means in our lecture, we have chosen Sobel operator particularly to means explain the edge detection algorithm. Why? What is the reason behind using Sobel filter? What is the particular specific characteristics of Sobel filter that draws our attention to use that? Because Sobel operator has the capacity of smoothing effect on the random noise of an image. Since it is differentially separated by two rows and columns, so the edge elements on both sides become enhanced, which offer a very bright and thick look of the edges. So do remember that sometimes it may be asked that why you are using Sobel operator. Then the answer is that it has the capacity of smoothing effect on the random noises of an image. Look at these images, and this is the original image. Actually, I'm considering the V channel of the HSV converted image of the input color image. Okay, this is the V channel. Then this V is filtered with two directional Sobel filter that we usually have in our image processing tool. But as you know, I myself propose one improved version of Sobel filter, that is a multi-directional Sobel filter, and regarding that method you will find the link in the description box, so you may go and you may find it for your interest regarding research interest on edge detection algorithm. Well, so you see this is the our normal Sobel filter, and this is filtered using four directional Sobel filter, and this is this filtered image with our means with my proposed eight directional Sobel filter. Here I am using eight direction. Okay, 8 directional Sobel filter. You know, in normal case or in default case, 2 directions are used. So you see that anyhow in this image also, in the image B means the normal filter with the using default 2 directional Sobel filter. That is also a very good one because edges are thick and distinctly characteristic a one particular region, like this. See, and this different object, this one and this. So all this image and this particularly the onion image. So everything is clearly separated from others through distinct edges. That is the main characteristics of, that is the main benefit of Sobel filter. So guys, I hope you have understood what is Sobel filter, how it works. Well, now coming to the today's question for this lecture, and today's first question is, what type of filtering technique Sobel filter is? Second question, how many directions are used by a default Sobel filter? Well, comment your answers. We'll meet in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.